I'm Jeanette White on behalf of ExpertVillage and Piper's Quilts and Comforts located in Sugar House. Today we're going to be talking about cutting bias binding for your quilt. The first thing you want to do is purchase about 1.25 yards of fabric. The reason being is that 1.25 yards is 45 inches and fabric is generally about 45 inches wide, and that's going to give us a square. The next thing I'm going to do is fold this into a triangle. And that is giving me my bias grain so that I can begin cutting my bias. The next problem we have here is that if I take my ruler and I start cutting this way, I'm going to get a very crooked line. I want to do it in one cut. Point in to the center. Now this point into the center, and what I want to do is get the distance from here to here no greater than 24 inches, which is the length of my ruler. The next thing I'm going to do is lay my ruler down and use it as a T-square. What I'm doing is lining up any vertical line in alignment with this fold right here and right here on this end. Then I'm going to do my first true cut. And now I've done this in one cut. Then you can begin cutting your 2.5 inch segments all the way up. We here at Piper's like our binding to be 2.5 inches as opposed to 2.25. We find that it works a little bit better and gives you a little bit more leeway. And that's how you cut a bias binding.